guys. I have two buddies that
Mm-hmm.
when I tell you, when all the noise is gone
Right.
and you're tired of keeping yourself busy to keep yourself from mentally thinking about what's bothering you,
Mm.
when the noise and the smoke clears, one of them told me, I thought I was gonna die.
Mm.
Not because something was physically wrong,
Right.
but because mentally, he was like, I've never felt like that in my life. I didn't know what was going on with me. A lot of men go through that every single day.
Yeah.
And I don't think a lot of people understand why sometimes men are kind of angry. And it's not that men are actually mad or angry. We're frustrated many times because we don't know how to deal